Hello everyone, this is Earning Money with Angelino today, and today I want to give you a gift, a site that will give you between $28 or more per day. And before I explain about the site and tell you what site I'm talking about in the moment or less, before that, if you will like my video, don't forget to push like and subscribe my channel if you want to learn more and more. Every few days I put a new video, made a new video about how to make money online or unboxing stuff that I got from dropshippings. And let's start now for the site that I want to give you. The site called usersdrive.com. It's free to register. Okay, I'm already registered and I'm already logged in, so you can see here log out if I want to. Okay, I will explain a little bit about this site. First of all, you can always share your link with whatever media you want. You can see here lots of stuff, lots of options. Now here is the upload. Here you can press and upload what you want from the computer. Here are the light if you want white light on the site or the black. I like this color. So now you can here file manager, you can see your list of uploads and blah blah blah. I just registered to this site, so I will check it out, but I guess it's really good like the other sites that I made before. And here the site pays you for downloading files from your account and referrals also. My reports, blah blah blah, news doesn't matter, premium does not matter, settings. Here the settings is something important. This is the free account, and you can get the unlimited account in a few dollars more. So here you can see that you have used space 0 from 195 gigabytes. That's a small hard drive. That's good. Account balance is 0. Okay. Traffic available today, unlimited. Okay, here is something that is very important. This link you can share with every place, every media, if you want them to see what you have in your users drive. Okay, here is your affiliate link. This is my affiliate link. I will share it below in the description. If you want to sign up by my referral link, affiliate link, sorry, I will be very happy. You will help me more. And if you want to sign up by yourself, that's okay with me. Now you can see this is my account. Here is make money. Here you understand how to make money. Okay, and before that you can edit your settings to put your PayPal account that you will get paid for there. Okay, let's go to the make money. Here you can read minimum payouts is $25, and you can get for 2,500 downloads something like $28. Okay, that's very good. Now referral people and earn 50% from each of your referral profits. So you can see, if you made an account by my referral account, I will get 50%, not by your account, not from you, by the site himself. Okay, so you will not pay me anything. Okay, payment are made via PayPal, Bitcoin, also Perfect Money, Web Money, and Skrill and Pioneer. $50 minimum for Pioneer. Okay, so you can see here is the minimum is the $50 for Pioneer. The Earth sites is the minimum $25. Again, you can see payment charges will be deducted from user balance if applicable. Let's see here, we send payments with 72 hours, that's something like 3 days. That's good. sometimes within week. Large payment can take some time. Okay, I understand, that's good with me. PayPal payment will be made on monthly basis. For now, we are working on a solution to make this better. Okay, that's no problem. Now here you don't have to use, but if you want to use, you can check your links if the links is working and things like this. Here you can make log out from your account, and here you can see file manager, like I saw, made explain it by here, reports and settings and logout. Also what you have here, so it doesn't matter. So that is the site about what I'm speaking of. Okay, if you want to see more, you can get below and see raters tier. That means that you have an options here. You can see up to $28 per 2,500 downloads. Upload and share files to earn huge money. Okay, that's very simple. You can upload a file that you know that people will download, that people need. So you can share it with Facebook, with Pinterest, with Twitter, or email, WhatsApp, and anything you have here. And here you can see what the tier means. Tiers 1 means you can get paid by persons that in the UK, United States, Canada, that can download the files. The files have to be between 1 mega to 20 megas to earn $2 by 2,500 downloads. Okay, you have to understand that. So here is 20 to 100 megabytes that you can earn $3, or 100 plus you can earn $8. Okay, so I don't understand how exactly it will be 2,500 downloads for $28. Maybe it means for 1,000 downloads you will get $8. Okay, that maybe. Okay, I don't exactly know how it's work, but okay. Here is the rules. If you want to read the rules, you will have time to read it by yourself. So that's all about this site. I wanted just to make sure that you will know about this site, and like I said, file size should be 1 mega plus to get rewarded. Okay, below than 1 megabyte you don't have to upload, because you will not get any rewarded for. So that's simple. Okay, I think anything else you want to know about, about this site, you can read the rules and understand them. So if you like my video, don't forget subscribe and thumbs up, like for my video, so I will be very helpful by you doing that, and it will help me a lot. So thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.